Hello everyone, I'm here at Downsview Drive Test Center and I will be showing you the Route 4 G2 road test. When you come here, there are designated parking spots for the drive test. Each spot has a number. Please make sure you park your car in one of the designated parking spot. And once you park your car, please make sure that you are parked in reverse so that it's easy for you to come out. Once you park your car, then you go inside. There are designated kiosks to sign in for the drive test. So you will go there, sign in, make sure that you're entering your driver's license number, your make of your vehicle, the color of your vehicle, and your license plate, and also the parking space number that you have parked your car at. Once you do that, the kiosk will give you a ticket. Grab the ticket, come back to your car, and when you come back to your car, please make sure that you are sitting in your car waiting for the examiner to come to your car. While you're waiting, please make sure you have your seatbelt on, your mirrors are adjusted, everything is all set to go. The examiner will come to you from the left side. Make sure that you bring the window down. The examiner will ask for your driver's license. You present your driver's license, then the examiner will ask for your full name, your date of birth. Once you do that, then the examiner will ask you to beep the horn. And then the examiner will go to the front of your car and will ask you for the right signal, and then left signal. And then the examiner will go to the back of your car and will ask you the same thing for the right signal, left signal. And then the examiner will ask you to step on the brake. Please make sure you step on the brake. This is when they're checking the brake lights. And take your foot off, and again. And then the examiner will come sit beside you and will read some stuff from their iPad. Will ask you to sign the iPad. And then the examiner will give you direction. Depending on where have you parked, if you're parked facing the building, they will ask you to go right. So when you're leaving, please make sure you put your car in drive. You're all set and ready. Have your right signal. Check all around. Please make sure, because it's going to be really busy in here. So please check all around. Good check. And then slowly move forward and then make a right turn here. So you're gonna turn right here and then continue. Please watch for any cars pulling out, pedestrian and anything. Please make sure you're watching for all those things, and then continue driving nice and slowly. Once you get here, please make sure you have your signal on, mirror signal, blind spot to the left. And then once you do that, as you guys can see, there's no stop sign, but please come to a complete stop. Check left, right nicely, make sure nobody is there. And we are making a left turn here. Go all the way halfway here and then make your left turn right here. And now we're going to be facing a stop sign, one-way stop sign, and we will be making a left turn, mirror signal, blind spot to the left. Come to a complete stop here. Do a good traffic check, left, right. Make sure no cars are coming. Once it's safe, then you can go forward. There's a car coming. I'm gonna wait here. Please make sure that you're checking and it's safe when you're turning left. Now I'm gonna go forward and make my left turn right here. The speed limit here is 30 kilometers an hour. Please make sure that you're watching your speed limit. Do not exceed the speed limit. There is an always stop sign coming up. Please make sure you're coming to a complete stop here. Once you stop here, please make sure you're checking your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again. And then when it's your turn, you go. You move forward. Again, the speed limit is 30. Please do not exceed the speed limit here. And continue driving. We will be facing another stop sign soon. Keep going. Speed limit is 30. And there comes the stop sign, and we will be making a right turn. So mirror signal, blind spot to the right. Come to a complete stop here. This is a one-way stop sign. Please make sure that it's all cleared, and then you're making your right turn right here. So we're gonna continue with the speed limit of 30. The road is a little bit bumpy, and just watch for any road hazards as you drive. Nice and safe. Okay, so here you will be asked to make a right turn. So keep on the right. At the traffic light, we will be going right. So please make sure you have your mirror, rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. And then if it's a red light, please make sure you're treating it as a one-way stop sign. Come to a complete stop. Check for pedestrian on the left side, right side, and then you can move forward a little bit and keep checking to make sure there are no cars on the lane that you're going to. So I do see some cars coming, but I'll see when it's safe, then I'm gonna make my right turn. Once there are no cars on my lane, then I can go. Okay, so it's safe. I'm gonna go, making my right turn here. The speed limit here is 50, so please make sure you get to 50. You will be asked to change your lane to left. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. When it's safe, nice and safely change your lane to left. And then once your four wheels are inside the lane, you turn off your signal, and now you will be asked to make a left turn again here at the traffic light. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Where the broken lane starts, get in to the lane, and it's a green light. It just turned yellow, so I will wait here. Please make sure when it's a red light, wait here. And while you're waiting, please make sure you're doing a good traffic check. Everywhere, make sure you're looking all around, and we're waiting for the red light. So once the light turns green, I'm gonna go halfway, and so watch for pedestrian as well while you're waiting for the red light. Please make sure you're checking everywhere, your rear view mirror, your left side, front, right side, everywhere. So just keep both of your hands on the steering wheel. Do not take your hands off the steering wheel. If there's a car in front of you, make sure you have good stopping distance where you should be able to see the tires and some ground. Okay, the traffic light just turned green. I'm gonna go halfway. I will be going halfway. Now I'm looking at the traffic light. I'm checking the oncoming traffic. Pedestrian on the left side, it's safe. I'm gonna make my left turn right here. So when you make a left turn, again, nice and safe, just keep driving, and you will be asked to make a right turn at the end of the street. There's a stop sign coming up. So about 5 seconds in advance, I'm gonna do mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and I will be making a right turn here on St. Regis Crescent. So come to a complete stop here. It's a one-way stop sign. Mirror, left, center, right, left again, and slowly move forward. Please check left side to make sure no cars are coming, and when it's safe, you move. They will bring you here for all the other stuff. They're gonna ask you to do an emergency stop, uphill, downhill parking, three-point turn. If there are any cars here, they may ask you for the parallel parking as well. So they will perform all those parkings in here. And then let me just do a quick emergency stop. Mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm gonna come to a complete stop here. Once you come to a complete stop, then you're gonna do the hazard lights, put your car in park, and pull the handbrake. And then they're gonna ask you, okay, so let's pull out. So bring down the handbrake, and then put your car in drive, turn off the hazard lights, and then mirror, a rear view mirror, signal to the left, check the blind spot. When it's safe, no cars coming, and then you move. And then you might be asked to do a three-point turn somewhere here. So you will be asked to do a three-point turn. I'm gonna perform a three-point turn here. Mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm gonna pull over. Make sure for three-point turn, you come to a complete stop. So once you come to a complete stop, then you check your rear view mirror, signal to the left, check your blind spot. There are some cars coming, so I'm gonna wait until they are gone. Then when it's safe, then I'm gonna make my three-point turn. So have your steering wheel all the way turned, check, 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 and now I'm gonna go, it's safe. Go all the way until you see the curb under your mirror. You come to a complete stop, then you put your car in reverse, turn your steering wheel all the way to the right, and signal to the right, do a 360 degrees check. Make sure about 70% you're looking back, and then 30% all around. So once your mirror is in the middle of the road, then you stop, change the gear to drive, check left, right, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, keep on checking left, right, and then you go. So that was the three-point turn. and then they will take you back straight, and where we came from, they're gonna ask you to make a left turn again on that street. So again, the speed limit here is 30, so maintain the 30 kilometers per hour speed limit here. Do not exceed the speed limit, and you'll be asked to make a left turn again here. So mirror, rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and when it's safe, we're gonna make a left turn. So it's safe, I'm making a left turn here, just like this. And then you can keep to the right, check a quick blind spot, and at the traffic light, they will ask you to go right. So approaching the traffic light, I'm going to do rear view mirror, signal to the right, blind spot to the right, and it's a green light. I don't have to stop, just do a quick scan of the intersection, and I'm going to make my right turn here. Make sure you're coming to the first lane, to the right lane, and then you'll be asked to turn left at the next traffic light. So from here, you can start changing your lane, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, change your lane to the left when it's safe. Once your four wheels are in, you turn off the signal, and then you'll be asked, well, you're making a left turn here, so again, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left where the broken lane starts. You will get in. The speed limit on this road is 50, so I will be making a left turn here. Green light, I'm going halfway, no oncoming traffic, no pedestrian, and I'm gonna make my left turn right here. So I'm coming back to this street, and the speed limit here again is 30, so maintain the 30 kilometers per hour speed limit, and just continue nice and safely. Again, it's a bumpy road, it's okay, just watch your speed and the speed limit here. You will be asked to make a left turn, so keep left, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. And I'm coming to an a three-way, actually it's a three-way stop sign. So I'm coming to a three-way stop sign. I'll come to a complete stop. So do a quick scan of the intersection, mirror, left, center, right, and now it's my turn. I'm making my left turn here. Again, speed limit is 30. It's posted there, as you guys can see on the right side. Speed limit is 30, so stay at 30 kilometers per hour speed limit. And there is a nice, beautiful, large stop sign. You cannot miss it. It's an all-way stop sign, so please make sure you're coming to a complete stop here. Once you stop here, rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again, and then you go when it's your turn. So continue on this road, and we will be going back to the drive test center here, so continue driving. On the right side, there's parking. Make sure that you don't get too close to the right side. So from here, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and then there's no stop sign. I'm not stopping unless there are pedestrian, so I'm turning right, and here I come. There's a stop sign again, so you might be asked to turn right here or the next one, so you can stop, check. When it's safe, move on. So let's turn right here, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm going to be making a right turn here. Please make sure you're staying on your own lane to the right side. Then you might be asked to park your car in one of these parking spots. So maybe to the left, I'm going to park on the left side, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. And I'll wait for this car to pass, and then I'll park my car in one of the spots. Okay, it's a front parking, and I'm gonna park my car right here. So once you park your car, please make sure you put the car in park. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.